Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today is time to talk about Carry Me Back Home on page 30 of John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course Part 1. In this one there is no big news, it's simply a longer piece where you have to use all the notes that you have studied until now. We can say that are all of them, let's say. So you know, from the G that you play with the fourth finger of the left hand, that is this one on the music sheet on the stave, up to the F that you play with the fourth finger of the right hand, and is exactly this one on the stave, so in the first space of the treble clef. The G that you play with the fourth finger of the left is in the fourth space of the bass clef. I want to play now first this one at higher speed. I will just mention a few things and then I will play again at slower speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's talk about just a few things. I invite you, I will never be tired to mention it, I invite you to respect as much as you can the finger and the hand, obviously, that has to play the middle C. Is obviously is much more important that you play the middle C and you know which one is on the keyboard and obviously the note itself on the music sheet. But the fact of respecting for example, here the right hand thumb and here the left hand thumb can help you developing a higher attention and can be definitely useful for the future. The notes are anyways not complicated, quite easy. E 1 count, E 2 counts from the second to the third count, F 1 count, then we have E 3 counts, D 1 count, middle C 2 counts, A 2 counts, G 1 count, middle C 3 counts. I repeat that I mention these things because I know that these videos are especially for the parents trying to help the kids. Then we have G 2 counts, C 1 count, D, E, E, F, E, E, C, B, C, all of them 1 count, as you know, because it's black. The note, then D 4 counts, E 2 counts, F and E 1 count, E 2 counts, D and C 1 count, D 2 counts, C, A and G 1 count, C 3 counts, G 2 counts, C and D 1 count, E 2 counts, F, E, E, D, C, B 1 count, all of them, and middle C 4 counts played by the right hand. Also try to help your kids writing down the fingering. I'm going to write the fingering for you. So obviously here is confirmed the third because it's the same note. Here we have 4 of the right, 3 again, 2, 1, 3 is already printed, the left hand now, 4, 1. Remember that as mentioned already previously, when I write the numbers above the notes, is one the reason of writing them above the notes. It's to give one more help to remember that these notes are for the right hand and these are for the left hand. Indeed, we are writing under the notes. Then we carry on, 4, then back to the right, 1, 2, 3. When I don't write again, it's because obviously it's the same note. You see, is E and E. Then 4, 3, 3 again, 1, down to the left hand, 2, 1, again, back to the right hand, then we have 3 again, 4, 3, 3, obviously is confirmed, 2, 1, 2, down to the left hand, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4 again, then right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3 again, 2, left hand, 1, 2, and then the last one is the right hand thumb. I'm going to play it now slowly, and I think will be more than enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. The most important thing to remember before you start studying this one, obviously, is to place anyways both thumbs on the middle C. This is the rule, the golden rule to respect in the whole Thompson part 1. By placing the thumbs on the middle C and leaving the fingers, letting the fingers lie on the following white keys, the position of the hand will be perfect and your kid can play the whole piece up to the end with no problems. You have to simply check that they don't move the hands. That's it. So I think that for today is more than enough. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me by commenting, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have never done until today. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.